Ever wondered how successful companies manage their finances? Well, it's not magic, it's all about strategic planning and effective budgeting. Budgeting, in the simplest of terms, is the process of creating a plan to spend your money. This spending plan, or budget, is a roadmap that allows companies to measure whether they're on track financially. It's a tool that helps managers ensure they have enough money for the things they need to run the company or for the things they want to accomplish in the future. In the world of business, budgeting serves as a guiding hand, helping managers allocate resources where they're most needed. It's like a financial blueprint that outlines a company's financial and operational goals. So, how does budgeting work in management? Well, it starts with an estimate of expected cash flows. That is, the money that the company expects to come in and the money it expects to go out. The company then adjusts its operations according to this estimate. This could involve reducing expenses in some areas or investing more in others. Next is the process of monitoring and control. Managers compare actual results with the budgeted expectations. If something doesn't add up, they investigate and make necessary adjustments. This is how companies stay on track and avoid financial pitfalls. Budgeting also plays a crucial role in decision-making. Managers use budgets to make informed decisions about things like hiring new staff, investing in new equipment, or launching a new product line. In essence, budgeting in management is not just about counting pennies. It's a comprehensive process that involves planning, monitoring, and controlling. It's about making sure that every dollar is put to good use and that the company is moving in the right direction financially. To recap, 1. Budgeting is a roadmap that guides a company's financial and operational goals. 1. The process involves estimating expected cash flows, adjusting operations accordingly, and then monitoring and controlling the process. 1. Budgeting plays a vital role in decision-making, helping managers make informed decisions about the company's future. Remember, a well-structured budget is a manager's best friend. It's the compass that points the way to financial success. It's the tool that turns dreams into realities. So the next time you think about a company's success, think about the power of effective budgeting in management.